At Shanghai Brilliance Aluminum Company, we specialize in aluminum profiles and deep processing aluminum extrusions to make furniture, windows and doors, fences, trailers, trucks, and small appliances such as electrical tools, refrigerators, and solar panels. Headquartered in the Minhang District in Shanghai, our aluminum profiles are widely exported to international contractors and manufacturers in Europe, North America, Africa, and Australia. Years of experience in extrusions and deep processing has helped us develop an efficient production flow in compliance with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 international standards. Our extrusion plant integrates the latest technology and high-precision molds to make aluminum extrusions as quickly as possible. The aging oven is used to enhance the hardness of aluminum profiles, while our anodize workshop thickens the anodize layer to a maximum of 25 microns. We have 2 production lines for anodizing aluminum surfaces, a process which strengthens our product's resistance to corrosion, warping, and wear and tear, as well as evenly smooths the surface. Our 2 electrostatic powder coat production lines uniformly coat our products according to AAMA, ASCA, and BS technical requirements, giving a clean and beautiful appearance to our extrusions. For customers wanting the rustic look of wood grain, our advanced wood grain production line offers a number of wood finishes for aluminum profiles, including red cedar, walnut, oak, and mahogany. In our packing workshop, we inspect our aluminum products for quality one last time and carefully package them to prevent any damage during shipping. Shanghai Brilliance Aluminum works with architects, contractors, interior designers, and manufacturers to develop a variety of aluminum products for everyday applications. Our colored anodized aluminum profiles, coated or polished aluminum profiles, and deep processing aluminum extrusions can be made to standard specifications or designed in unique shapes to best fit your needs. Contact us today to see how our aluminum products can serve you.